I'm going to do a short video summary of a project that they have me working on here at Jiao Tong. So, I'm going to show you here we're on the roof of the mechanical engineering building. And over here we have this system. You can see up on the top of that roof, you can see those are our PV solar panels. And we actually have wires coming down from there and over through this wall to charge our whole system. And then here's the outdoor section of what we're working on. And this specifically is the unit that I'm working most with. And I'll explain exactly what I'm doing in a second. But all of that comes into this room where these wires right here actually come in and they go through this unit right here. Which what it does is it regulates the charging of this battery station we have here, which we have 4 batteries that all wired in series make for a 48 volt stored battery capacity. And this regulates kind of keeping it right within the range that we want it. So once those are charged up, and that's kind of continually happening, it comes out, and the system as it is right now, we have DC power coming from the batteries, and it goes through this right here, which does 2 things. First, it induces an AC sinusoidal wave to be able to use it with AC applications. And the second thing is it steps up from our 48 volt source to 220 volts to be able to use it with the air conditioning system that we have. So as it passes through this, it steps it up to 220 volts, and then we have our test system where they get a lot of data analytics for the system efficiency and how different factors affect it. And it goes up to our air conditioning control unit up here. And so right now, we pretty much just have DC, and then it switches everything to AC, and then it powers it from that AC signal. And a lot of the power loss that they have right now comes from this DC to AC conversion. And so what my project is to start introducing DC components to the system. And specifically what I'm working on is introducing a DC compressor into the system that we already have, which is going to help with the power loss that we're experiencing doing the huge switch from DC to AC all at one time and then shooting it over. Because ideally you actually want a DC system coming out of it so that you don't get the power loss inducing the wave, and you don't really have to complement it with the 220 volts we have going into this. So that's my project in a nutshell.